Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Reflect.setProperty method. So what it does is, it's same as the object.setProperty prototype of object. So what it does is it give you the internal prototype property and then specified as an object to the another object or to a null object. So null is basically an object. So yeah, so what we gonna do is create const and type like object1 and equals and empty an object. After that, what I'm gonna do is log it on a console, use the reflect dot set pro to type off. And when I done with that, what I'm gonna do is object 1 comma object, the object constructor. So object dot prototype. So the prototype, what the prototype. So when I did that, it's gonna give you true. What it does, it's gonna check that is that the prototype is the set prototype. So when you do that, it's gonna give you true. And if it's inside that it's empty. So if we do log it on a console, and you can use this code Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V. Inside that, pass object1 comma null. So it also give you true because the specified, so it's true. And this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.